Right, welcome back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be going over Safemoon. But before we do, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So, got a couple of updates for you guys. But it looks like they got 943.4 thousand followers, which is pretty sweet. We are in the positive today, guys, at 12.28%. 35.96 is the current price, and it looks like we are coming and going back up just a little bit. So the pretty cool thing is the whole market's coming back up. So that is definitely a good thing for SafeMoon and all the other cryptocurrencies. Um, so that's definitely going to be awesome. And something that I was kind of watching earlier, and I realized earlier, is right now, if you look at, you know what, let's actually take a look at it. So if we got BSC scan, safe moon. So I feel like if I bring this up, it might be a little easier for you guys to understand. So right now we have 2.413192 million holders, which is super, super awesome. All right, let's see. So let's go to the holders wallet. So right now, it looks like if you see this first wallet right here, um, that has 41%, that is when coins get burned, they go to that wallet. So the question was posed or asked that what happens when um they stop burning? So right now they have a 10% reflection rate, or a 10% tokenomic rate. So 5% goes to the holders, 5% goes to the wallet. So if they were to keep, um, so the reason why is because if you look at it, they have 41% of all the tokens in that wallet. So, something that I kind of realized today is um, the reason why about 5% goes to burn is because you got to think how many coins were burned or locked away in the burn wallet when they first opened. About half. So that's the reason why 5% goes to the burn and 5% goes to um, reflections back to us. From my understanding, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. But from my understanding, that's why the total of 10%, 5% gets sent to the burn wallet because they have about 50% of the tokens, and then 50% of the tokens, well, when they first launched, were in the holders wallet. So kind of something to think about. That is, from my understanding, like I said, that is the whole reasoning behind why 5% gets burnt and 5% gets divvied up. So somebody was like, well, what if they stop burning? Will all of those tokens get divvied up, that 10%, rather than just burned? So that is a great question to ask. And from my research and my understanding, that will be the case unless they lower the total tokenomics in general and the reflections go down, and then, like, 5% is tax instead of 10%. But if they continue to do the 10% tax, then it is definitely going to give more tokens back to the holders. So I guess we will definitely see. But another cool thing that they have um, is the bridge. So the bridge has officially been made, meaning that so it looks like it says the bridge is ready, meaning that they are on other platforms other than just the Binance Smart Chain. So we see an Ethereum symbol on this right here, meaning that now not only can you get this from like PancakeSwap, But I would assume that means you can get it from other swaps that just support the Ethereum network and not the Binance Smart Chain network. And this is also really good because you got to think this brings more awareness, this brings um more people that's able to get into it that maybe didn't want to that don't want to do pancake swap. I mean, I know for me, um like Safemoon is the reason why I kind of download it. Pancake swap and Bitmart. And so some of the coins that you can only get off of like the Ethereum network that take I believe it's called there's another one. I forget the name of it now, but there's other swaps that kind of just support Ethereum based tokens. And so I haven't really got those because most of the tokens I want from Ethereum I can get on either Coinbase or Binance.us or KuCoin. They're on the big kind of like the bigger exchanges because Ethereum has been around for that much longer. But I think more and more that people are going to, as the Binance Smart Chain, as you know, as they become more and more popular and they become on these major exchanges, kind of like Binance and Coinbase, I think it's going to be a little easier to get those as well. But like I said, the good thing is that the whole market seems to be coming up. I think when I looked earlier, it was at like 1.5 trillion or 1. Okay, it looks like it's at 1.475 trillion, and so that is really awesome. I think is because one, the future contracts for the monthly and quarterly ended last week on Friday, and we're going into quarter three for a lot of companies. So that means more allocations for different investments. People are able, they kind of was able to make their books, quote unquote, look good, and their ledgers and all that good stuff. And now it's time to invest more money so that they are able to gain more money. So the awesome thing is for everyone, including myself, that held through kind of like the downward trend, we earned all those reflections, all those tokenomics. So we are earning compounded interest on both of those. So let's look at a 7-day chart and see what we got. So as the entire market, it looks like we are making higher highs and higher lows, which is super, super good. It is definitely more of a bullish trend than we've been seeing in the past previous weeks and months. And it's definitely something that I still think July, August, September, October is going to be amazing months, and we're going to see amazing gains in the entire market, including Safemoon. Now it really depends on what coin you are in to see, I guess, the amount. So, in my opinion, I think everything's going to run, but are you going to be in that coin that only runs 5-10%, or are you going to be in that coin that does 5 to 10x? Um, that's up to you, and I guess nobody really knows. All we can do is do our own research and really look into the the developer team, really look into what the project's about, and definitely do that. That will definitely help in order to maximize your gains. So, um, SafeMoon is definitely one of my mid to long term holds. Like I said, right now it's trading at 36.31. I like to see it get back into the fours and then even, take one of those zeros off. That would be amazing. And I definitely think that it can do that as we continue to gain traction back into the market. So that is exciting news. The bridge with other networks and platforms, I think that's another reason why we're seeing a gain in the network. And I think we are going to continue to see that as the market goes up. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. So do you guys think the bridge is going to maybe are we gonna 2x, 5x, 10x? Are we just gonna like maybe 2%, 5%, 10%? Or is it even going to play a role in that even at all? So definitely it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So It is exciting that they have came out with it, and we are still in an upwards positive price range. So that means that this is definitely more than just the rumor and news. This is more about the fundamentals and the use case and things of that nature. So definitely, like I said, I love Safemoon. Safemoon is awesome, and I definitely think that Safemoon is, like I said, one of my long-term holds. And I definitely think we're going to see some upward trends, like I said previously. So it's definitely pretty sweet. And let's take a look at this. Let's see if it has added anything. I mean, I want to say Juby's new. I don't remember seeing that earlier. Bit4x is pretty cool. Dcoin, Bitmart. So they have a lot of places. I mean, there's 20 different ways to get this coin, guys. Like that is plenty of ways, and I think like we're on our way to get listed on a major exchange. I don't know when. It's not a matter of when, but it's a matter of or not a matter of if, but when. So that would be super sweet and super awesome to get listed on a major exchange, and definitely bullish. Definitely think we've seen our downward trend. Not financial advice, just my opinion. You guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And safe moon to the moon, and until next time.